You sexy thing. I believe in miracles. You sexy thing. I believe in miracles.
Come on, you see it, come on. I believe in miracles. You sexy thing. Yeah. Yeah.
You sexy thing. Come on, Sidney, dance.
Come on, Sidney, you dance.
In miracles. You sexy thing.
Keep dancing. Yeah, Birdie.
Oh yeah. Yes, I believe in miracles. You sexy thing. Dance.
Come on, keep dancing. Keep dancing.
Miracles.
Yeah.
Thing.
Keep popping.
Good girl.
Pop a latte, drop it, fly it.
This is the birdie. Let's zoom in.
Whoop. Whoop. Eric, you gotta. Wait here, go
It's
back.
an African
Whoop,
gray.
whoop. Whoop.
There's Dad.
Whoop. Whoop. Woo.
Crazy girl.
I believe in miracles. That's it.
You sexy thing.
Oh, yeah, go, Sidney. I believe in
Miracles.
miracles. You sexy thing.
Move your hand.
Yeah.
I believe in miracles. Encore.
Eric, stop shooting. Don't zoom in, otherwise you can't get it out.
Whoops, sorry.
You
Already
believe
got Dad
miracles?
and the bird.
You gonna give me a kiss? You gonna give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Kiss. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Give me a kiss. You scared her. Just give me a kiss.
Sidney, you wanna give me kisses?
Not like that,
Give me
Ellie.
kisses.
No, not like that.
Stray also.
Give me
You're gonna
kisses.
scare her.
Oh, it scares me.
Dad,
Give me kisses.
don't be scared. It's not
Sidney,
gonna
give me
hurt you.
kisses. Give me
Give
kisses.
me a kiss like that.
Give me kisses.
Okay, Sidney, good girl.
Give me
It's
kisses.
okay, Sidney. It's okay. Dad, Alyssa, she's doing it. That's how you do
Give me
it.
kisses. I'm sorry, I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
But I'm not gonna be scared.
Doesn't
Come
have
on,
any.
you're not doing it.
Doesn't have any teeth.
Give me kisses.
It's not like it's
Good
gonna
girl.
bite you.
Give me kisses.
Dad, do it to her.
Give me kisses.
Yeah. Miss Ryan's gonna go.
Why?
Good girl.
Okay, stop zooming in. Dad, look at she hung those up.
No
Okay,
way.
she hung
Yeah,
them
she
up.
does. We put them in there. Me and Aunt Barbie put them in.
It's okay.
She hung them up.
I gotta go over here.
Yes, you are.
Do a good birdie.
Sidney, good girl.
Sidney, you want a peanut?
My sister's gotta give her a peanut.
Peanut?
Good
There you go.
girl, Sidney. Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl, Sidney.
Good girl.
I believe in miracles.
Yes, next thing. Oh, show Erica, do you know that the bird did that onto the mirror?
Look what the bird did to the mirror.
Oh, Sidney.
She just laughed.
You lost your peanut.
She was just laughing.
Stop doing that. Is this gonna win? Come on, put it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you're doing.
Where's your peanut go?
It's probably underneath her cage.
We're looking for the peanut. Once a peanut. I'm looking for a peanut, everybody.
Reach it out.
Sidney, where'd it go, honey?
Ooh. Not people. That's not a peanut.
Look at the bird. Look at
Oh. What?
Man, look what the bird did.
Oh, wow.
Look at that plastic.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty nasty.
Dad, is this it?
Did you be
It's a peanut.
Is this it?
Here, is that
Let me see.
Is that the
Yeah.
peanut?
Here. Yeah, I'm missing. Here. I'll give it to
Oh,
me.
Becca, I'll do it.
Here, Sidney. Sidney, here. Kiss.
Is that the peanut?
Yeah.
As you can see, we're not used to this bird.
Oh,
As
sure.
much as we'd like to be. This is a weird screen.
I believe in miracles.
You sexy baby. Give me the peanut. Give me the peanut. I'm gonna make a friend. Watch what I do. Watch what I do. I'm gonna save her all the way from breaking it.
Dad, start
Give me
singing.
the peanut.
We're singing.
Just give me the peanut, please, Ellie. Give me. Oh, don't break it.
Dad,
Sidney?
start singing.
Sidney. Look, what?
Got the peanut in his hands.
Wait, Ellie. I'm doing it. Okay. Hold your horses. Here's Sidney.
Oh, don't go yet. Don't go yet. Okay, go.
Nice. Good girl.
I dare you to give her kisses.
Just put like a video camera hung here from the wall. Sidney, do you want a peanut?
No, she still has one, honey. She's still eating
Here,
one.
Lisa, can I see a peanut? Because this one.
This is what a peanut looks like.
Can you give me one?
Now you have to eat. You're gonna have to let her touch you. You can't be afraid
It's
of
a
it. Okay.
peanut, okay?
You can't be
She's
afraid of
gonna
Oopsie.
eat
dropped
the
it.
peanut.
it. You have in your hand.
The peanut. They have to be from the shower. She won't like
You
them.
want a peanut?
It's weird. Watch video record.
There, she's done chewing it. Want a peanut?
Don't be scared.
Good girl. Don't drop it. Good girl. Don't keep dropping them, you silly
Now break them in
goose.
half like this. Here's Sidney. Right, Erica?
Yeah.
Stand. Go back. Here's Sidney. Got it, Erica?
Yeah.
Nice girl.
Good girl. Dad, you video recorder.
You gonna give her one? Is it recording right now, Erica?
Yeah, just
Okay.
yes.
Okay, go ahead, Erica.
Then I'll try to crack it.
Gotta bite it.
You just gotta break it in half, honey, with your fingernail.
She got it.
Okay.
Give her this one.
Wait.
She's eating her food right now.
Sidney, you want a
Do you
peanut?
want one?
Yes.
Thank you. I know, genius.
I believe in miracles.
How do you focus it on out here,
She
guys?
just farted. What?
No, I didn't.
What?
How do you focus it on out?
Put this thing right
Oh,
there.
right there, okay.
Focus the bird.
Pretty girl.
That's what we're here for.
Pretty girl.
Hi, Sidney.
Yeah, we have to film her during the morning where you can keep her hearing her talking.
Want another peanut? Here you go. I just put the shell in here.
Predacious bird.
She's called a
Crazy
predacious
bird.
AKA
Scary
Sidney.
bird.
Sydney bird.
Sidney.
Sidney, can I see your wings?
Can I see your
Can I
wings?
see your wings?
Can I see your wings?
See? Sidney,
Sidney.
can I see your wings?
Sidney.
Wait, hold on, she's eating. Oh, she has peanut shells in there. So that's... Wait, here, Erica, you gotta... you can't.
Here you go, Erica.
What? Oh, I'm video recording again.
The little pretty birdie.
Okay, that's enough nuts, guys. She gets sick.
Oh, whoops, I'm going wrong way.
That's all you're gonna get for the rest of the night. We'll give you more tomorrow.
Oh, and she also drinks orange juice from a top of an whipped cream cup.
Show them the whipped cream cup.
It's right here. It's really small. I can't see it. This. And that's really small. It's about like 2 inches.
Stop twirling it. Stop twirling it so much. Let me see.
No, why? See it. Ow, it just cut myself. Oh, focus on the bird. Sorry, I just don't like talking so that people see me. It's weird.
Sydney. Whoop.
focusing on her eating.
Whoop. Whoop. Oh, she's eating. She won't do it.
Well, this thing can zoom in real good. Want to do this? Jack, can I eat it?
I guess. I don't know what
Sydney, what did you do to
probably
that
unsalted.
mirror, girl? She
Oh, honey, stop,
chewed
stop. You know where
the
they are?
mirror.
Open up that drawer.
That's why you cannot trust birds. And today,
Bring me color.
she, well, we let her out, and she was pecking the wall.
Here, bring me color.
She didn't make any holes, but, and then she can turn the switches on and off.
Not that much.
Stop doing that. That's a lot of peanuts, Dad.
I'm gonna eat them.
Oh, you're gonna eat them?
They're raw, natural.
What do those kind taste like?
Blah.
Let me taste one.
Bland.
What?
They're bland.
Let me taste one.
What's bland?
They're raw.
Hey, Debbie,
Here.
are you sure you're video recording something, or just like this floor? They good?
Are they gross? Slim good.
Ew. They taste like crap.
Are they raw? They're raw.
Harrison, you can have this one.
Probably get a stomachache. See, they're eating your nuts.
Mm.
Aren't they something? They're raw.
How are peanuts formed like to taste good?
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's already throwing up.
You don't like them?
Wait, could you get the second you ate a raw one?
We'll find out.
Oh, great. Thanks, Dad. Good birdie. Whoop.
Here, honey.
Sidney. Whoop. Dad, stop feeding her peanuts. She's gonna vomit.
I thought they were normal.
Here, put that in the thing. And they are raw, aren't they?
It tastes like crap.
They're good, though.
They're not good.
She likes them.
Are you still eating them? You ate them all?
Ew.
Come on, wait.
Yeah, I can't get out. Oh, my stomach's killing me.
What is?
My stomach from those nuts.
It's all over.
Whoop.
Sidney, girl.
Sidney. Whoop.
We gotta do sleepies, okay? We're all done eating nuts. Okay? Okay, we're all done. Give me a
Sidney.
kiss.
Whoop.
Give me a kiss. 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 Good. Did you
Sidney,
get it?
can I have a kiss?
Did you get it?
I don't know. Sidney,
Don't
can I
be
have a
scared.
kiss?
Kiss.
Can I have a kiss?
Put your finger like
Just give me one.
Sydney, can I have a kiss? Can I have a
Don't be
kiss?
scared, Alyssa.
She keeps coming near me and backing off. Sydney, can I have a kiss?
Sydney, can I have a kiss?
Kiss.
Can we have a kiss?
Kiss. Kiss.
Can I have a kiss?
Did you kiss me? Kiss. Kiss. Good girl. Well, I'm starting to bite a little. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss.
Yeah, she says no, don't bite her.
Yeah, she's starting. I got 2 kisses though. Good girl.
You want to give me a kiss? You want to give me kisses?
Don't talk to me.
No? Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go sleepies, okay, honey? You go sleepies now, alright? I'm gonna put your cover on you. Okay? Good girl. America. Good girl.
It's a back script ready.
Good. Kiss. Kiss.
So,
Kiss.
I'm gonna go cover a
Yes.
bird.
There's 2 more kisses I got.
Wait, I want to get one. Sydney, can I have a kissy? Give me kisses.
Kiss.
Kiss.
Oh, she wants a kiss you, honey.
You don't want to kiss me, do you?
Okay, Sidney, we'll see you in the morning, okay? Good girl.
That was the noise she just made. Sidney, you better give me a kiss tomorrow.
Oh, so you give me a clip?
Here,
Mm.
okay.
Where are they?
There? Oh.
Now, Sidney Bird is covered up.
Well, she hates this.
It's a back script. It's
Yeah,
a
we let her
back
chew
script,
paper.
Back script. Sorry, I'm singing. Ventilate.
Eating chips?
Maybe.
Where are they?
We're in North Carolina right now. Okay, adios. Bye.
Bye.
We gotta go to bed. We gotta go to bed. Okay, bye.